Hey everyone, welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you haven't watched JavaScript for Beginners part 1 to part 4.1, make sure to check those out first because this video is the continuation of part 4, which is the part 4.2. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more tech tutorials. Today's topic is about logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions and return a true or false value based on the result. Don't worry, I will explain you properly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Today's topic is about logical operators. First, let me write the heading for this logical operators by using single line comment. Logical operators, and in the logical operator the first topic is about end operator. See, end operator is nothing but the end operator returns true only if the both conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Just note it down. See here, first topic is about end operator. Okay, in logical operators the first one is end operator. I'm going to explain about the end operator. Okay, the first topic is about end operator. Okay, end operator is nothing but the end operator returns true only if the both conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Keep that in mind. First let me write the code, then I will explain you line by line code what is it about. Okay, first let me write the code here. Let, one second, let age equal to 25. Okay, let, I am providing the variable name as age with the value of 25, and let has id has id has id equal to, I am providing true. Now let me write the if statement here. Don't worry, first let me write the code, then I will explain you line by line what is that code about. Okay, let age is equal to greater than or equal to 18 and I am using the end operator here. See it clearly. And we are using two ends. Okay, these are two ends. This is the symbol for this particular end operator. And has id has id. Okay, then let me write the console.log. Let me provide the double quotes here, and you are allowed to enter. Enter. Okay, then other and let me provide the else. Let me give else. Console.log access denied. Okay, let me run this code. go to index.html and open with the live server. Right click, inspect, go to console. See here, you guys can check here. Here I have provided two conditions, which are age is greater than or equal to 18 and has ID should be true. See here, for age is greater than or equal to 18, it checks if the person is 18 or older. I already provided age as 25. It's actually greater than 18, so it's true. And has ID is actually I provided true value. For AND operator, if both conditions are true, then only it provides true value. Otherwise, it provides false. The same way, here I provided the condition is greater than or equal to 18 and has ID is true. So it will print the output as you are allowed to enter. You guys can check here. If I run the code, see here, you are allowed to enter. The output I got as you are allowed to enter. Suppose if I give greater value, which is 26. Now if I run the code, because this condition not met with age, so this is false. Age is greater than or equal to 26. Because age I provided 25, so it's not equal, so it's false. And has ID is true. As per AND operator, both conditions should be true. Otherwise, it will provide false. Okay. The same way here, it will provide me access denied as output. Let me run the code and now check here. Access denied. I hope you guys understand it properly. This is about the AND operator. First, let me write a OR operator by using a single line comment. First, let me write the code, then I will explain you line by line what is that code about. Okay. Let is weekend equal to true. Let is holiday, one second, holiday equal to false. Then let me use the conditional statement. If condition, if is weekend, I am using the OR symbol, which is two pipes. Check here. Is holiday console.log you can relax today. Else console.log time to work. Let me explain you what is OR operator about. The OR operator returns true if any one of the condition is true. Okay. If any one of the condition is true, then only it returns true. If both conditions are false, it return false. In OR operator, any one condition should be true. Then it will return true. Otherwise, if both conditions are false, then it will return false. The same way here, you can check here. Here I provided two conditions, is weekend or is holiday. Is weekend, what I provided, the value I provided for is weekend is true. Is holiday, I provided false value. So in both the conditions, one condition is true. So obviously it will return you can relax today. Otherwise, if both conditions are false, then it will return time to work. See here, now it will return. Let me run the code. You guys can check here. You can relax today. Suppose if I provide false here, false here, and if I run the code, then check here, time to work, because both conditions are false, then that's why it return time to work. I hope you understand OR operator. Let me explain you about NOT operator. NOT operator, first let me write the heading for the NOT operator by using single line comment. First, let me write the code, then I will explain you line by line what is that code about. Okay. Let is raining equal to false, and let me use the if condition statement. If I am providing the symbol, not operator symbol, which is exclamatory mark here, and is raining, is raining, let me use the curly brackets, and console.log let's go outside, else use the curly brackets, console.log stay indoors. Okay. First, let me explain you about NOT operator. NOT operator is nothing but it reverses the boolean value. It returns true if the condition is false and vice versa. Okay. Let me explain you. It means it flips the condition. Is raining, I provided it as false. Okay. Is raining becomes true because not false equal to true. Here, see here, not false equal to true. So I will get the output as let's go outside, because I am using not operator. Is raining value is false. So I am using not operator, not false equal to true. So it's I will get the output as let's go outside. Suppose if I write, see here, if I run the code, you guys can check here, let's go outside. Suppose if I write true value here, true, true value. Now I will run the code, then I will get stay indoors because not is raining, right? Is raining is true, so not operator, not true, so it's false, so I will get stay indoors. Check here. If I run the code, let's check here, stay indoors. I hope you understand logical operators. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.